Today get to do a word search finding words that have A-I in them. Get started by writing your name at the top and then look down here at the word bank. See all the pictures? The first picture is a nail. Look through here and see if you can find the word nail. All of our words today will have A-I in it. Let's see, nail. N. We want to look for an N and then an A-I for the ale. Nail. Let's see. There's an N, but I don't see an A-I around it. There's an A, but not an I. N. A-I. Ooh, maybe this is it. Listen. Ale. Yep, there it is. We found nail. Go ahead and color in N-A-I-L and then draw an X when you're done finding the word nail. The other words I want you to look for are pail, snail, sail, rain, paint. Then, if you think you're up for a challenge, see if you can find any other long A words. If you do, you have some room on the side of your paper to write them. Have fun!